Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your interests in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the settings section, click on the interests button. And here you have to fill in some questions regarding your interests. So for example, what is your type of trip? What are your travel interests, and where do you want to explore? So just click on the white circle next to the one that you want to set, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.